Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Shopia AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Shopia AI account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address Shopia.ai and turn enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Shopia AI over here guys. And after you land over here, in order to log into your Shopia AI account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for beside the start my free trial. So in order to sign into our Shopia account or the Shopia AI account, let's click on the login button and you'll be directed to the login page of the Shopia like this guys over here. And you can see there is the login with the Google button directly available for us. If you want to log into your Shopia account with your Google account, simply click on the login with the Google button and a login page to your Google account will open. And if you log into your respective Gmail account on that tab or on that page open from this button, you'll be signed into your Shopia AI with your Google account. And with that being said guys, let's enter our email address over here for a manual login, and enter your email address with which you had created an account on the Shopia AI, and after that enter your password. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset or retrieve your Shopia AI account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Shopia AI account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.